TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here for the noon update. This is Eastern Time here at TFNN, and I am the host of the Tiger Technicians Hour, coming up straight after this update, and the author of the Opening Call daily newsletter. We're looking at the Dow up 55 at 27,149. Remember, we've been looking at left side chart is the daily of the Dow, middle is the weekly, on the right is the monthly. Monthly still looks very good. The weekly is bumping into very strong resistance, and you've got a potential cup and a handle. I love the Chapman Wave cup and ladle, where the third highest peak just soars right through the left side lip of the cup, and then that says you should at least get to a leg D, a fourth highest peak, even a fifth. This time you went from 27,398 in the Dow to a high of 27,306. It's really struggling. It's not one of my favorite patterns at all, this cup and handle. It very often fails. I'm looking at this, and I have so many indicators that say right here is we've got the most risk, I think, of, if we don't break out to the upside, of continuing sideways. We're probably going down. The S&P right now is up 4 at 3,010. Also has the same pattern, cup with a little handle right here, starting to fail. Needs to get to 3,022 quite quickly, and then it can tackle the all-time high of 3,027. QQQ NDX 100 is down 56 at 192.28. This is kind of a heads up to say they're not leading the pack. The Qs, the NDX 100 almost always leads the pack. With the semiconductors, they're kind of stalling here. Concerned about that. IWM, is it going to pick up the slack? In a way, it is. It's up 68 cents at 156.45, but it also has this cup and handle pattern. It needs to get from the 156s really quickly by Wednesday of next week. It needs to be in the 159s. Otherwise, there's a real problem. Now we're going to be looking at gold. Gold is up $3.5 at 1509. This pattern that I've been talking about, look how long. It's already 8 days that we've been, no, it's more, 9 days that we've been in this trading van. Gold couldn't even break out on Monday with a crisis in Iran, well, in Saudi Arabia. They think it's Iran that did it. This is going to be very interesting because the dollar, which should have been suffering, is actually up quite nicely here, up at 98.61. Crude oil, as we go to the break before my show, the Tiger Technicians Hour, is up 68 cents. We'll talk about this more when I get back. Very important session today, Friday. I'll be back in a few minutes. Otherwise, have a great weekend.